Kamusta, konnichiwa, buongiorno. Tonight, we will start to make my praying mantis costume for book week at school. My mom will assist me for this craft. Now, let's start crafting! So first thing is the helmet. So you need an adult to measure your head because you don't want it to be tight or you don't want it to be loose. By the way, the book is from our school library, so don't ask me where my mom bought it. In this scene, I look so tired because we're filming it actually in night, like around 11 p.m. and it's actually Sunday night, so we need to hurry up, but I was too tired because church was fun. Fun fact about praying mantises. Did you know that when praying mantises mate, the female bites the male's head off? Fortunately, the male can still mate with the female, but after the mating, the female praying mantis eats the male like the spiders do. Then soon, one of my videos, we will be catching a praying mantis to keep. Okay, I'll stop chatting. Now, let's do the crafting! First off, use a ruler or a measuring tape for measuring the strips of pieces of cardboard which your mom or dad measured your head. And also, cut them out. Then use a rolling pin to roll out the pieces of cardboard you cut out to make them flatter and flexible. After that, glue all of your pieces with hot glue gun. It should look like this. Then this part is tricky, so ask an adult to draw the mask of the praying mantis. The next part is making the arms. So you need to go to images of praying mantises and copy the arms and use felt for the spikes and glue them on. And PS, also make 2 of those arms. Then time to paint! You need to paint the arm and the helmet first, because if you want your praying mantis face or mask to be really 3D-ish, you need to ask an adult to paint the face. So you need to first paint the arms and the helmet. Then tell an adult to paint the mask and add extra detail to it to make it more cooler. Then stick on 2 black pipe cleaners as the antennae. Then glue the mask and the helmet together with a hot glue gun. And it should look like this. To make the abdomen, you need to ask an adult to sew some green curtains, then fill it with pillow stuffing. And add some wings if you want to do it. And after that, you glue 3 strips of garter on the back of the arms with a hot glue gun. And if you want to add some style, ask an adult to sew some green clothing to make the legs. You don't have to do it. And another PS, you must make 2 legs if you're making them. And fill the legs with stuffing. And use a Sharpie to add the segments of the abdomen and the details on the wings. And if the legs are finished, you sew the legs on the abdomen like this. Let an adult measure the belt and sew it on the abdomen. But you don't have to sew it, you can just add some cloth on the abdomen and put the belt inside. It's really hard to explain. But as you can see here, my dad is measuring the belt and he's sewing it on the abdomen. I mean, not sewing it, but adding the cloth. Ta-da! So we finished my praying mantis costume. So here it is, the mask. It is entirely made out of cardboard and some pipe cleaners. So my mom and I painted this mask, the helmet and the mask, green. And my mom added extra detail to it to make it more 3D-ish. And I put the antennae on the mask, which is the pipe cleaner. Then the 2 arms and the back of it has 3 strips of garter. At the outside, black paint for the joints and felt paper as the spikes. And the beautiful abdomen. Okay, as you can see here, my mom made the details. And used the wings as old green clothing. And this looks like a butt, but this is a gut-loaded abdomen, which is on invertebrates. Well, not a lot of them. And also 2 extra legs, 1 each side of the abdomen, and also add a belt to tie on my waist, and get a long sleeve pants, and thanks to Andrei's for making the long sleeve and pants. So here I will put them all on in 3, and also recycle and reuse. Then 3, 2, 1. So here, look at me. It's quite heavy, but my mom says it looks great. So here is what it looks like to wear the hand. And luckily, I got this abdomen, so when I sit down, I get a lucky pillow on my butt.
Wow, praying mantis.
And here what it looks like when I dance.
Ano na?
Oh, come on. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell below, and leave a like. Bye! I think I'm hungry. Hawker store. Thank you for watching.